We'll guide you through how to deploy a site using Netlify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Netlify website and log in or sign up if you don't have an account. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with an option to create a new site. Click on NEW site from Git. Netlify supports GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket, so make sure your site code is hosted on one of these platforms. Choose the platform where your repository is located, and authorize Netlify to access your account. After authorization, you'll be able to see a list of your repositories. Select the repository for the site you want to deploy. On the next screen, you'll be asked to configure your build settings. This involves specifying the branch to deploy and any build commands if your site requires it. If you're using a framework like React or Vue, you might need to enter a build command like npm run build. For most static sites, you might not need a build command at all. Ensure your published directory is set correctly. For frameworks, this is often build or dist. After you've configured these settings, click on Deploy Site. Netlify will start the build process and deploy your site. This usually takes a few minutes. Once the deployment is complete, you'll get a confirmation, and Netlify will provide you with a temporary URL where you can view your live site. You can customize this URL by going to the site settings and clicking on Domain. Here you can set up a custom domain if you have one. If everything looks good, your site is now live and you can share it with the world. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.